And Hong Kong's biggest public listing of 2023 flopped on its trading debut on Thursday. And shares in ZJLD, one of the largest privately owned makers of Baijiu, a fiery spirits popular in China, ended 18% lower on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. Shares were priced at $1.37 at open, slightly lower than its IPO price, but dropped to $1.13 by the close of the trade. So investors had high hopes for the company, backed by U.S. investment firm KKR. The Baijiu maker hoped to raise around over $670 million, but it only managed to rake in about, here we go, $570 million. And the company planned to spend around half the net proceeds from the IPO expanding production facilities over the next 5 years and another 20% promoting its brand. Now the company may be having second thoughts. So, what are the reasons for Baijiu, the Baijiu maker's epic failure on the first day of trading? Earlier, I talked to Hong Hao, chief economist at Grow Investment Group.
Well, I think the failure of Hong Kong, being one of the most popular fundraising center in the world this year was because, Hong Kong has a really bad stock market last year. Right, so I think, for people who's trying to raise money, they want to have a better multiple so that they can raise more, for the same company. So I think, ever since the rebound since last October, I think Hong Kong market has been, steadily, slowly giving up, some of the gains, since last October. So if you want to sell your company at this difficult market, it would mean that you will have to sell it at a lower multiple that you would want to. And therefore, you would not be raised as much money as you want to, given the normal situation. I think that is the reason why people are not coming back to the Hong Kong market right now to raise money, because, valuation multiple is compressed.
And do you think that will dash investors' confidence at this moment, and what will happen next?
I don't think it's a investor confidence. I mean, this is general market condition that, people just don't want to buy into new issues that hasn't been proven just yet. All right, so I think, given time, as the market heal in Hong Kong, then, valuation multiple would, recover and come back, and as a result, people would warm up to this part of the world and start selling shares. But I think right now it's a general market condition. It's a beta issue rather than an alpha issue.